guys, so today, as you see by the title, I'm going to be doing a slime review, like not a slime review, a slime thing that I'm going to show you how to make, like how I make my slime. I don't care if you don't like how I make my slime, it's just my opinion. I like how I make my slime, so let's just get started. Get a bowl. Get some glue. This is Elmer's glue, white school glue. You open it, obviously. You can't just like not open it. Okay. You use about that much. Don't use a little, like that much of glue. That should be enough for what I'm about to make. You get any color you want. I'm probably going to be doing galaxy slime, so I have blue and purple. So let's start off with the blue. Or maybe should I do the blue or purple? Oh, comment down below. Blue or purple or both. Again, that happened. No. Evil. Okay, so mix up any color that you picked. I picked the blue and I'm putting a little purple in there because the purple is really cute, in my opinion. And then stir till you get the right consistency. Until you get your color not bad, if you know what I'm saying. This color is turning pink, which I love pink. It's my favorite color. Comment down below what your favorite color is. Mine's definitely pink. Never change. So, and then after this, go check out Ava's video. She's going to be having a slime thing too. So,
it's going to be called Slime Tutorials with Elmer's Glue new slime.
I put some more purple in it. But yeah, I'll put her YouTube channel like in my bio.
Yeah, no, in the link. In the link in the description. Yes.
Link in the description. Okay.
How long have you been doing YouTube exactly?
For me? Couple years.
Okay. Illuminati confirmed.
Why? You think I'm bad at it?
No, it's just that you know.
No, it's just that I forgot about that. No, it's just like, you know, description, link, bio.
Yeah, because you do a lot of TikToks and
yeah. Okay, so I mixed all my color in. It is now like purplish pink. It is really cute.
If I spill this water on me, I'm gonna die.
Really cute color to me. And then this one I'm gonna add baking soda and a little bit of baking soda. A little bit of baking soda. Mix it. After you mix that all in, you put contact solution, which next one I'm about to make after this one, the slime one, I'm gonna be not using this kind of activator. I'm be probably using borax.
My borax.
But this is just like this thing that I wanted to use. So comment down below what activator you use the most. I honestly use either contact solution or Tide.
So I use Tide and
And if that none of those work, I just use borax. What happened?
Yeah, I use Tide and borax basically.
Comment down below what Tide you use, because some people they use clear Tide, some people they use the colorful Tide. I use the colorful Tide because that's just if you want to dye the color, like dye your slime. That's what I use. If I don't have food coloring, which I always have food coloring, so. You can go make your video. You can make it while I'm making mine.
I'm just going to watch episode for a little while.
Okay, well, while she does that, I'm going to...
Shout out to episode, by the way. Sponsor her video, please. Even though you do not, because you want to see it, so.
Guys, this is like so not activating. Guys, this is activating, but like so slowly. Put that back on! Bam, pop. Guys, this is so hard. You don't understand. I'm about to literally break this. You know we can make the video at the same time, right?
Yeah, but I don't want two videos. I don't want to
Guys, I'm about to go.
You know, I don't want two people talking at the same time. We'll get a little bit, you know, like
distracted probably.
Yeah. Elements.
Ah, guys. I'm in a sticky situation. You get the pun? Huh.
I'm on top of the world. Hello. I'm hiding behind the glue. Camera trick thing. That's what I want.
That's episodes.
Yes. I'm weird, okay?
No, you're not. It's just...
Oh my gosh, there's a pregnant lady.
Did you just hear her? Guys, comment down below if you heard her. She said, oh my god, it's a pregnant lady.
Well, you don't need to say that anymore.
Oh my god, it's a pregnant lady. Guys, this is so crazy and cringy. Guys, I cannot even like manage to get this out of the bowl. So
Look at this dog here
I don't
in
think-
this.
and what? Am I? Oh, you're playing with mine?
Yeah, I'll open it up and to see a freaking dog hair in it. But
It dropped because my cat threw it on the ground. He kicked it off.
well then, there's,
Thanks to my cat.
yeah, it's a cat.
Guys, this is the product. If you want to put excess like glitter in the slime, you could put that in, but I'm not. I'm just going to go with the original. The next time I do is going to have glitter and everything in it. So, yeah. Bye.